but I can't. But that's alright. I have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Tumblr, all right here on my iPad. I know, I'll take a photo of my view. Instagram. The willow filter looks nice. Caption. Perks of being trapped in a tower. Great view. Hashtag pick of the day. Hashtag nature. Hashtag black and white. Hashtag hipster.
Hey, it's a tower. This would be a great setting for an Insta peek.
Hey, look up here! A damsel wanting to feel grass between her toes.
Just wait a sec. Hashtag hipster tower with damsel wanting to feel grass between her toes. So high up. How am I meant to get you down?
Oh yeah, here, I got some rope. Sorry, I used to let down my hair, but like, all these boys with their dirty boots in it, and man, the headache I got when I fell. Whoa.
Hey, what do you know? It's not so high up. 2 steps.
Yeah, wow, you're already up. So, shall we go?
Oh yeah, just 1 second. In the hashtag hipster tower with the damsel wanting to feel grass between her toes.
Hey, follow me on Instagram, Blondie000. Hello? Hello? Oh, wait, so what's your plan?
Plan? What are you talking about?
To get me out of here? Aren't you meant to like fall in love with me or something? And help me break free so we can live happily ever after?
No, sorry, you got a war on? I came here because I thought this tower would have just as much swag as it did as in the inside. But clearly not.
I thought you could be my prince, but obviously not. You're not strong and muscular, like my dream guy. I just love strong and muscular guys. Guys with loose ties, undone shoelaces, untouched shirts, guys who eat like animals. Yeah, ain't no other man for me but Jason Yee. On the planet does what you do. You're the kind of guy the planet does what you do. You're the kind of guy, you're fine. In up the moon, you got soul, you got class, you got style, with your badass. Ain't no other man, it's true. Ain't no other man but you.
Okay, I think I have one with a promise. Apparently, it involves an average prince, a mediocre princess, and a super sassy heroine. Once upon a time, there was a girl under a spell. She was doomed to sleep until Ruse's gym was built. So basically, forever. All the princes in the land tried to come and wake her up. But alas, none would do. Fairies also tried.
Dearest princess was locked in a faraway tower. Couldn't ever wake, eat or shower. Till the gym is built, the clock ticks hour by hour.
But alas, none would do. But then one day, a particularly courageous prince came along with a capital P.
I, Prince Keith of James Ruse Mathematical High School, have found the princess. I found her. I found her. Princess, wake up, please. I've traveled for so long, and you're still asleep. Seriously, girlfriend, wake up! Wake up!
And that's when he tried what any prince would do. He Googled it.
How to wake up Sleeping Beauty. Well, Google says I can't do it on my own. She only wakes up in the presence of complete perfection and beauty. Well, I'm pretty perfect and beautiful. Why isn't she still awake? Well, I guess there's one more person who's more beautiful and perfect than I am. She's the one who's dedicated and passionate. She's the one who's taken a certain grade through many swimming carnivals and many failed mathematics tests. She's the one that encourages us to complete the 1.6. And even if we fail, she tells us to suck it up and run it again. You know who I'm talking about? I'm talking about the very awesome and cool